Create long-length videos using AI for any niche or topic. Produce full 30-plus minute cinematic videos without cameras or crews. Same characters from start to finish, never random AI clips. Turn your computer into a cinematic production studio in minutes. No filming, no editing, no experience required. If you can type, create. Perfect for stories, documentaries, education, serials, ads, and case studies. Create full movies and episodes up to 30-plus minutes long. Consistent characters, locations, and scenes across episodes and seasons. Story-driven content with cinematic visuals and professional pacing, automatically generated. Works for any niche: education, narrations, case studies, marketing, and more. AI handles casting, continuity, lighting, and cinematic composition for you. Build series that keep people coming back with consistent characters and arcs. Type your story, choose characters, pick locations, and press Generate. The AI builds scenes, matches, lighting, and composes cinematic camera moves. Characters remain consistent across scenes, preserving personality and appearance. Generate full 30-minute videos, episodic seasons, or standalone shorts easily. Export ready-to-watch cinematic files with sound, design, and pacing included. No cameras, no crews, no editing suites, just ideas turning into movies. Save time and production costs while delivering cinematic quality at scale. Grow channels with bingeable episodic content and loyal returning audiences. Educators and businesses can create immersive lessons and compelling case studies. Marketers can craft ad films that look and feel like cinematic stories. Independent creators gain a studio-level toolkit without the overhead or crew. If you can type, you can create movies, series, and documentaries. Ready to create cinematic long-form videos with Cinemation AI starting today? Click the link below to start building 30-minute videos and episodic series. Grab it before the price rises. Limited pricing available right now. Create movies, serials, documentaries, and ad videos with zero filming required. No editing headaches, no crews, just your ideas and cinematic results.